We're here today to celebrate Manufacturing Day.
It's just a great opportunity for kids to learn more about math, science, technology, art, and get some hands-on experience with that.
Getting to participate, getting to actually touch and feel what they actually do.
What we find is that when students get involved in hands-on activities, they understand there are great opportunities in manufacturing, plus fun things that they might want to do in their career down the road.
There you go.
Yeah, it's a fun day. It's a lot of people here. Super cool. We learned a bunch of new things. Science is kind of with math a little bit today. So when we were talking about metal over there, it talks about like how it formed and how they got it and what they do with it. So I thought that was pretty cool.
They really love the virtual reality stuff.
I had fun myself doing the ZR5 simulator.
And then there's another part where you're actually like the driver and it looks like you're sitting there. Pretty cool. It's fun watching the dude harvest.
I think having students come in and get into the plant as well helps them to understand that manufacturing is today's opportunity.
The possibilities are endless. Vermeer has such a diverse employee base, and I don't think a lot of our youth realize that. But after today, they'll come back and they'll say they made a connection with one of these different roles that they didn't even know existed.
And when they can come here and sort of experience that, they can begin to have a much better perception about manufacturing today. And it's wonderful to see what great teachers we have among our team members.
You can kind of see all the little layers that it's taken to build that up.
They have come up with really creative hands-on activities which are very attractive to all these students. And that's awesome because they can start thinking about, hey, I might want to do that for my career.
It gets better every year.